Hello friends, myself Narayan Sangle. Our subject name is Computer Organization and Architecture, and my topic name is Architecture and Function of the Control Unit. In this topic, we are seeing what is the control unit, their architecture, their several parts, and their functions. Firstly, we are seeing what is the control unit. The control unit is the crucial component of the computer central processing unit. It's responsible for the meaning and managing and coordinating the various operations of the CPU and ensuring the proper execution of the instruction from the computer program. The control units act as the brain of the CPU. The flow of the data and control signals between the different hardware components. Its primary function is control and coordinate the activities of the other hardware component within the CPU and ensure that instructions from the program are executed in the correct sequence. Its a control unit a control unit is the crucially within the computer to the processor and direct operations. It is the instructions to the memory logic within the both output and the input devices. In this unit, we are the seeing one by one their component of the control unit. The first component of the control unit is the instruction register. In the instruction register is the crucial component within the control unit of the CPU. It is the primary role. It holds the current instruction being executed, decoded by the CPU. There are the two types of the functions of the instruction register. The first function is it store the opcode of the current instruction, and second is it's the determine which micro instruction are the performed. And next component of the control unit are the flags. The flags is the CPU control unit. It's indicate the conditions resulting from the arithmetic or logical operations. They guide decision making and the control the flow operation within the processor. Mainly it's perform the two type of the operation. It's indicate the state of the CPU, and second is shows the result of the previous operation. Next component we are seeing the clock. In the control units, the clock is the CPU control unit coordinates components activity, ensuring instructions execute is the control the sequences by providing the limited synchronization. One micro instruction, and second is we are the seeing in this topic. They are the control bus. In the control bus, it's the set of the pathway that carry the commands and signals between the CPU and other part of the computer, directing and coordinating their activities. The mainly three type of the perform the control bus. Its first is control unit are the transfer the signal to the control bus. First is the control. Second is control bus are transferred the signals towards the control unit. Next component we are the seeing the control bus. The control bus it is the set of the pathway that carry the commands and the signal between the CPU and other parts of the computer, directing and coordinating their activities. First signal are the from control bus. The control bus transfer the interrupt signal and acknowledgement signal towards the control bus within the CPU. The within CPU causes the data movement activity specify functions to the control bus. Towards the control bus to provide the signal to memory and I/O devices. And next we are seeing the functions of the control unit. There are the list of functions. We are the study the functions of the control unit. The first function of the control unit is direct the flow of the data sequence between the processor and their devices. And second function of the control unit, it can interrupt the instruction and control the flow of the data in the processor. And third function of the control unit is generate the sequence of the control signal from the received instruction or the commands from the instruction register. And next is has been responsible to control the execution unit such as the ALU data, ALU data buffer and register. Register in the CPU and computer. And second is it has the ability to the fetch, decode, handle the execution and store the result. It cannot process and the store the data. To transfer the data, it communicate with the input and output devices and the other all the unit and the computers. They are the several functions of the control unit. So we are studying in this topic architecture of the control unit. We are define the block diagram of the control unit and their components and functions. So we are stop here.